It's time to stop the lies that kill animal habitat and the beauty of Earth. Does CO2 harm or heal the ecosystems of Earth? Undeniable records show the effects of CO2. It's time to get serious about global warming.
Have increased levels of CO2 greened Alberta and moderated temperatures as NASA and NOAA have proven in official climate records? Or do increased levels of CO2 cause heat-related disasters as theoretical climate models are pre-programmed to show?
According to Climate Kids, CO2 is what drives temperatures. Just after the Little Ice Age ended in 1850, CO2 began to rise. Then, after 1950, the rise accelerated. Do temperatures in Alberta do the same? Let's start by looking at the daily lows.
Doesn't look convincing to me. Fast warming followed by cooling, then a gentle rise, which tapers off. Nothing at all like the rise in CO2.
Well, Climate Kids claim that Earth is getting so hot that droughts and all sorts of heat-related disasters are imminent. So maybe they mean the high temperatures.
Oh my, the high was more than 90 years ago. And since then, high temperatures have been flat to down. But why would CO2 cool during the warmth of day and warm during the cold of night?
Climate Kit theory explains why CO2 warms like a blanket when sleeping under the stars. But it has no explanation for why CO2 cools during the day. But NASA theory explains both warming and cooling. Google NASA Green Earth.
Oh, so CO2's photosynthesis effect is what cools during the heat of the sun. I should have known. Where do I go when it's hot outside? I seek shelter under a cool tree. If barefoot, on cool grass. I go to where CO2 converts the hot sun into cool plant food for us and wildlife. So CO2 not only warms, it also cools. NASA, thank you for telling the truth.
Climate Kids use imagination and models rather than actual observations like NASA does. Climate Kids also use averages that suppress details that some people might think are important, like for over 20 years, high temperatures have been declining around the globe. If the public finds out that only low temperatures, not the highs, are rising, the climate change movement is over. Climate Kids know that heat-related disasters are only caused by extreme highs hot enough to cause glacial melt, sea level rise, and droughts. And on moderating cold weather, they also know that habitat, wildlife, crops, and grandmas do not like minus 50-degree weather that kills.
I choose grandma. How about you?
If you side with the official climate records over theory, we urge companies, governments, and citizens to stand up for the scientific method. Just as Alberta did when they approved the resolution to declare CO2 as fundamental to all life on Earth, remove it from its list of pollutants, and abandon all net zero IQ targets.
You deserve the truth. I hope you found that very interesting.
If you want to help get the truth out, please give a thumbs up. If you want to see more, please subscribe and give feedback as to what else you would want to see.